Hi guys, yes, welcome back in yet another video. And someone was asking me what are the working hours and overtime regulations in Qatar. Yes, when we look at our working hours, when we look at the regulation, overtime regulation and working time hours in Qatar, definitely agree with me. Most of, although some companies may have defaulted following the procedures and following the rules of the law, but you find that these are applicable in case that company is in case a file case is being reported about that company. Definitely agree with me that they'll have to take the road to take the penalties and the fine. When you look at the standard work week in Qatar, is measured in what we call 48 hours, typically 8 hours per day, then over 6 days, and which when you say during Ramadan, it is reduced to 36 working hours per week. When you look at overtime, overtime is compensated at what we call 125% of what we call the regular pay rate during the rest, during the holidays. And when you look at during the rest day, which it should be 150%. Yes, most of the employers also are required to provide what you call a weekly day rest, and usually it's mostly on a Friday. However, for that situation, for companies that cannot give you a rest day on Friday because there are some position or there are some roles that will enable you to be in service at that particular role, then they'll have to compensate you with another day that has to be beyond Friday, or even pay you what you call an overtime. So definitely that's what you definitely should understand regarding to what you call the standard working hours, which should be 48 hours, unless when it is public holiday or when it is Ramadan. Remember, most of you, when you talk about Ramadan, you'll agree with me, it has to be less hours, which has to be 6 hours, depending on how the arrangement is. But remember, when we are talking about rest days, yes, most of the companies may try to violate, but you are entitled to the rest day, and one rest day per week as according to what you call the law, or according to the law here in Qatar. Most of you will agree that you have contracts that definitely will not give you, or even your companies have violated you. Yes, definitely in that regard they have to pay you overtime, and if not that, then you have a right to complain to the human resource or whoever is responsible in that regard for your right in one or the other. Hope I've tried to share something for you. Hope, yes, remember, so let's make trying to give you these very important updates.